2023 we are attending a number of shows, and today we will take you through to our stand at the EMV-2023 in Stuttgart. It's the third day of the show, and we were already talking to a lot of customers and business partners. We present a wide range of our product portfolio at our stand, and of course we are more than happy to advise you to find a practical solution to your EMC problems. We also perform 2 fully booked workshops, helping you to find practical solutions to your EMC, immunity and emissions problems. We are now looking forward to the last day of the show and hope to welcome you at our stand here at the EMV 2023 in Stuttgart.